In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio sound in Figma. Incorporating audio into your Figma prototypes can significantly enhance the user experience, making your designs feel more interactive, realistic, and engaging. Whether you want to simulate button clicks, provide auditory feedback, or even add a voiceover to a prototype, this process is straightforward once you know the right steps. First things first, you'll need to go to Figma. This might mean opening the Figma desktop application on your computer or navigating to the Figma website in your web browser. Once you're there, make sure you have the specific design file open where you wish to add audio. For this tutorial, we're assuming you have a project ready to go, perhaps one with a few frames you'd like to bring to life with sound. Once you're within your Figma file, your next step is to access the Plugins menu. Plugins are powerful extensions that add extra functionality to Figma, allowing you to do things the core software might not natively support. To find them, look towards the top menu bar in Figma. You'll typically see an icon that represents the main menu, often a Figma logo or a hamburger menu. Click on that, then navigate to the Plugins option. This will open a drop-down menu displaying all the plugins you currently have installed and recently used. From the list of available plugins, we're going to click on PunchCut Audio Player. This is a fantastic plugin specifically designed for integrating audio into your Figma prototypes. If you don't see PunchCut Audio Player in your list, don't worry. You'll simply need to browse for it in the Figma community or through the Find More Plugins option within the plugin menu. Once you find it, install it, and then it will appear in your list for future use. The plugin will then open up, usually as a small floating window on your canvas. With the PunchCut Audio Player plugin now active, your next action is to select a frame within your Figma design. In Figma, a frame acts as a container for your design elements, essentially defining a screen or a specific section of your user interface. To associate an audio clip with a particular part of your design, you need to tell the plugin where that audio should belong. Simply click on the desired frame on your canvas. The plugin will recognize that you've selected it, preparing it to receive an audio input. This ensures that the sound plays in context with that specific screen or interaction. Finally, you will select a sound. Within the PunchCut Audio Player plugin interface, you'll typically find options to either upload your own audio files or choose from a library of pre-existing sounds. Browse through the available options or click the Upload button to bring in your custom sound effect, background music, or voice narration. Once you've located the perfect sound, simply select it. The plugin will then link that audio file to your chosen frame. You can often adjust playback settings like volume or looping directly within the plugin, adding even more control to your prototype. And there you have it! By following these steps, you've successfully added audio sound to your Figma design using the PunchCut Audio Player plugin. Experiment with different sounds and frames to truly elevate your prototyping game and create a more immersive experience for your users.